What were the charges against Ratko Mladic? When we think about the Yugoslav Wars, one name often comes up, Ratko Mladic. But what exactly were the charges against him? Ratko Mladic served as the military leader of the Bosnian Serbs during the Bosnian War from 1992 to 1995. His actions during this time led to serious accusations from the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia, also known as the International Criminal Tribunal. The charges against Mladic are quite serious and reflected the gravity of the conflict. First and foremost, he faced 2 counts of genocide. This was particularly related to the tragic events of the Srebrenica massacre in 1995, where over 8,000 Bosniak men and boys lost their lives. The International Criminal Tribunal recognized this massacre as genocide. The charges also included a broader intent to eliminate or permanently remove Bosniak and Croat populations from areas claimed by Bosnian Serbs in Bosnia and Herzegovina. In addition to genocide, Mladic was charged with 5 counts of crimes against humanity. These charges involved systematic attacks against civilians, including murder, deportation, and persecution. The evidence showed that these acts were widespread and targeted innocent people during the war. Mladic also faced 4 counts related to violations of the laws or customs of war. These included unlawful killings of civilians, hostage-taking, and using terror tactics against civilian populations. His actions were seen as direct breaches of international humanitarian law. Another significant aspect of the charges was his participation in joint criminal enterprises. These are coordinated plans involving multiple individuals to commit crimes. Mladic was found to be part of several of these enterprises. One aimed to permanently remove Bosniak and Croat populations from Serb-claimed areas. Another focused on spreading terror in Sarajevo through sniping and shelling civilians. There was also a plan to eliminate Bosniaks in Srebrenica, and a scheme involving the hostage-taking of United Nations personnel to deter NATO airstrikes. Lastly, under the principle of command responsibility, Mladic was charged for knowingly allowing or failing to prevent crimes committed by forces under his control. He was also accused of not punishing those who committed these crimes. The trial lasted several years, with extensive evidence presented, including thousands of documents and witness testimonies. In November 2017, Ratko Mladic was found guilty on 10 of the 11 counts and was sentenced to life imprisonment. His conviction was upheld on appeal in 2021. These charges and the trial highlight the complex history of Southeast Europe during the Yugoslav Wars. They reflected the severe consequences of nationalist-driven military campaigns and ethnic cleansing. The verdict was seen as a step toward justice, although it remains a sensitive topic in the region due to differing narratives and political views.